and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to do some more alphabet art. We're going to be doing things that start with the letter M.
M. Okay, let's do the song to
Let's do
remember.
the sing to remember. Ready, set, go. Big M, little m. What begins with M? Mouse, mittens, mushroom. M, M, M. And we're gonna draw Mickey Mouse, huh?
Yeah.
And that, it also starts with an M. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, let's get started.
Mickey Mouse.
To draw Mickey.
Mouse.
So when you're drawing Mickey, it actually helps to start with this little line above his nose. It's just kind of like a wide rainbow. And then from that wide rainbow, you're gonna be drawing two eyes coming up. And then inside of there, yeah, you draw the two filled in circles. And then, yeah, you can draw the nose underneath that rainbow. Okay, so we've got the nose, that little line, and the two eyes. All right, and then we can draw his smile next. So right here you do a smile line, and right here you do a smile line. Then you connect them with this part of his smile, but then he's got his mouth open, so you draw that part of his smile, and then you can see inside his mouth into his tongue, so you draw two curved lines that kind of overlap. That's okay if you just do one curved line, because that still looks like a tongue. All right, and then underneath, we're gonna, let's just leave it like that and you can color it in later. Yeah, so we got that line, and so right above this smile line, we're gonna draw a curved line that comes down and connects down there. And then right by this smile line, we're gonna draw the other one that curves down and connects down there. And then right here, we're gonna draw this curve that connects down here. And it kind of makes a V shape up here.
It looks like a McDonald's.
Yeah, it looks like the McDonald's arch, that's right. Okay, and now we're gonna make the circular part of his head where it comes up and down. And all of that gets filled in black. Okay, I'm almost done. And you are right, the ears come next. So they are big circles. One right there. And the other one right here. They're kind of like on their side, like an oval almost. And yeah, you can fill it in. All right, now it's time to draw some mittens. And we can just draw them nice and small. We're gonna draw them up in this corner. We're gonna draw kind of a curved line, almost like a sideways rainbow right there. And then the thumb comes out that side, and then it goes down.
And then you can do ruffles.
Yeah.
And then the other
part.
one is like this, and then the skinny line. Then ruffles.
Yeah, so you make that rainbow shape again. And then the thumb goes that way. Oh my goodness, she just fell down. And then, yeah, ruffles. Okay, and now a mushroom.
That's going to be hard for the little lines.
Yeah, so we're going to draw a bigger rainbow. Okay, now I'm going to draw, before I do the rest of the inside of the mushroom, I'm actually going to do the bottom part of the mushroom. So it comes down, meets together, and goes back up like that. And then around it, I can draw the underneath part of the mushroom.
Hey, Mom, look what I got.
Oh, cool.
Ow!
And then I'm going to do one more line. And this line connects over here.
Can I do
like that.
a little stem?
And then there's little lines that go all the way around, coming out
I'm going to
of...
put in my black.
the mushroom.
Mine might be
Stem.
easy because mine is a little bit too skinny.
Oh my
Okay, I
goodness.
did it. Oh, this is a spotted.
Yeah, we are
one.
doing a spotted mushroom.
Little one, big one, 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 little one, big one.
Wow, you said lots of spots. That's cool. All right, now let's draw an M. So we do a line
NOP.
up,
NOP.
and then down, and then up, and then down.
Did it.
Good job. So that's a big M.
If you want to do it,
And then a little M, you do a line, and then how many bumps? 2 bumps, right?
I'm doing
All right, are you ready to color it?
M.
Oh, you want to draw a
O.
mouse? M-O-U-S-E. M-I-C-K-E-Y. M-O-U-S-E. All right, and then mittens. M-I-T-T-E-N-S. And then mushroom is kind of long. M-U-S-H. Mush. Yep, shh. Mush. It's okay, you can do 2 lines. Do the H next, right next to the S. And then next line, do rooms. Mush, or room. Mushroom. R-O-O-M.
R-O-N?
R-O-O-M. Good job. All right, let's color it. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter M, and we'll see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter N.
Ah.
Bye!